trying to figure out how am I going to make myself look like a glazed donut. Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. So for this tutorial, we're going to be doing a natural glowy look. Because I don't know much about makeup per se, there was some research that needed to be done. I just want to look like a basic bitch. Okay. So I got to work, and by work, I mean Google. I wanted to make sure I had all the right products and was using the perfect techniques. So I Googled and procrastinated. And Googled and procrastinated some more. Oh, hi Kylo. Till finally I found exactly what I was looking for. Take a look. And I was ready for the task, I think.
Okay, let me remain positive. This is me being positive.
A brush? No, not that one. A foundation brush. A concealer brush. A hydrating primer. A hydrating foundation, and this one is in the shade 445. A concealer, and this one is Fenty in 420. Contour stick in Espresso, also Fenty. Brow brush and mascara. And of course, lots and lots of highlighters. And a bronzer. So first I lather my face with the primer. And then I go in with the foundation, and I used a brush because I didn't want the sponge to soak up all the foundation. And here I'm just adding a little bit of the liquid highlighter to my cheekbones just to kind of mix it with the foundation. Wow, I kind of actually seem like I know what I'm talking about. This is what happens when you research. And then you just want to blend all that in. And we're still blending. Okay, I think we're good. Now we're gonna go in with the concealer just to provide some dimension back to the face. And a contour stick. And then you want to just dab that in. Or in my case, beat it. Because damn, girl. And you want to use the concealer brush for underneath the eye. I didn't want the sponge to basically soak it up. So we're using a brush. You want to make sure you really blend it out. So that's when I go in with the beauty blender. Okay, we're back. Now we're going to use some setting powder for underneath the eye. I believe this one is Honey by Fenty as well. So we're not really baking, we're just setting. And then we have a short dance break. Girl, get it together. Of course, we're gonna speed through this part. Just brow stuff, brow business. Nothing to see here. And some mascara. And finally, this is the part that you're going to get the glowy, the glazy look. That natural glow. So first, I'm going to go in with a liquid highlighter as the base. You just want to blend that in. See, we're already getting there. And then we're going to go in with a powder highlight on top of that. Don't forget your nose. Bridge in the tip of your nose. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see what I'll be doing next week. And if you made it this far, go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back. Use a real one. Yeah.